this is apartment N1. So this is the entrance door. As I unlock the door and get into the apartment, this is the entrance. I just entered the unit N1, and towards right there is a kitchen area. So this is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen, the storage over here, cabinets, refrigerator. This is the back door. You can go outside from here, and then for garbage disposal you can go from there. These are the storage areas that we have explicitly. Since my wife is short, we are keeping the things over here in the storage area. So this is kitchen, and adjacent to the kitchen is the living and dining area. So you can see the dining area over here, and this is the living area. You can see some stuff outside. We have already started packing, so these are stuff outside, but we have space beneath that. So this is the living area, complete living area. So as we walk towards this area, towards the left hand side is one bedroom. So this is one bedroom. So there are some storage boxes you are seeing that as we are packing for the move. So this is one bedroom, and this is a closet here in the bedroom. This is one closet, and this is the bedroom area. So as I walk past this bedroom area, there is one closet, big closet on the left hand side. So you'll see a lot of stuff here because we already started packing slowly, but it has a good amount of space. And next to is the bathroom. So this is a bathroom. It has this storage space, cabinet, and then the bathtub behind the curtains. So this is the bathroom, and adjacent to bathroom is the second bedroom. So this bedroom has it can accommodate one queen size bed easily, and there's one more closet over here. Again, you'll see the bags and all since we are packing here. So this is the bedroom, and again we're going back. So this is the entrance door from where I came in. So this is 2-bedroom apartment in unit N1. Thank you.